To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Our focus, the President has nominated 4 distinguished achievers from various fields to the Rajya Sabha. What should have been a celebration of representation from various fields and places from the country has now turned into a bitter political fight. First, the Congress called renowned lawyer and the face of justice in terror cases, Ujjwal Nikam, to a BJP man. Now, the Congress has turned to Sadanandan Master, the acclaimed educationist. Congress leader Ramesh Chennithala has sullied the achievements and the nomination of the leader into a political battle, saying that an ordinary party man has become a Rajya Sabha member.
Rashtrapati has got every right to nominate Rajya Sabha members, but those nomination has to be done. The earlier practice is that those who are having excellent record in various fields, they are being nominated. Sachin has been nominated, which is a king in the cricket. And so many other people were nominated because of their excellent record in their own fields. But this is only a party man. How can they nominate him, a party man, in this kind of category? I don't understand. How can they do it?
All right, let's tell you who the Congress party is. Meet Sadanandan Master. He's a renowned educationist from Kerala, the former president of the National Teachers Union. Remember, this is a man that is being respected and renowned in the field of education. He is the survivor of political violence. Back in 1994 is when, he survived that entire chaos that happened. He lost both legs in the attack by the CPIM cadre, and that is why, ladies and gentlemen, eventually, of course, he contested in the 2021 Kerala Assembly polls, and he is somebody who is respected for the kind of life and struggles that he has gone through. That is why his nomination to the upper house of the parliament. My colleague Arpita is joining us for more on this. Arpita, even as the country celebrates these people, 4 people who've been nominated by President Modi to the upper house of the parliament, Congress doesn't seem to be very happy with it. In fact, they're going on humiliating these nominees by the president.
Well, the Congress in Kerala is not very happy with the nomination of Sadanandan Master in Kerala. They're saying that the centre is misusing Rajya Sabha's nomination process by giving nominations to people who are very normal in their field. In fact, Ramesh Chennithala and V.D. Satishan took examples of P.T. Usha, Sachin Tendulkar, and they said these people were nominated because they were doing excellent in their field, and that is usually the process that we follow. People are nominated where they do something exceptional well in their field, but here people are nominated, normal people are nominated without any special achievement, is what Congress is saying. In fact, V.D. Satishan also mentioned when P.T. Usha was nominated, Congress did not have a problem irrespective of the party she was from, because she is exceptional. She's an exceptional athlete. She has done well in her field. So they did not ever make it an issue. But now when Sadanand Master is being nominated, what exceptional work has he done in his field is what they are questioning. In fact, V.D. Satishan has also alleged that through this, central government is trying to push RSS functionaries